Hi everyone, in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to use Zoom meeting. Okay, stay tuned, let's start. Okay guys, if you want to use Zoom meeting, simply go to your Google Chrome search engine. Okay, type Zoom easily. Okay, click here the first link. Okay guys, if you want to join a meeting, that simple, just join a meeting here, click join a meeting and enter the meeting ID or personal link name. That's it. The second option, if you want to host a meeting, as you can see here, we have three choices: with video off, with video on, screen share only. Let's say with video off. Okay guys, here if we want to host a meeting, we should to create a account, sign up. Okay, we can sign in with Google or with Facebook or any email address we have. I have previously created an account, so I will add it. Okay, when you finish, click sign in. Okay, as you can see now we have my account. So let's start. Host a meeting, video off, same steps. Okay, here guys, click open Zoom. Okay, here join with computer audio. Okay, now we have the meeting window, as you can see. Guys, as you can see, we have participant ID, as you can see, invitation URL. We can copy this invitation URL and shared with our students by email. Okay, invite other by email, Yahoo email. Okay, that's it. Okay, we have many options. We can mute the audio, as you can see. Also select our microphone. Okay, start a video. Okay, manage participants, as you can see, one participant, it's me. Okay, also we can chat with everyone or with some student. Okay, also we can record some video, screen record, and send and share with our students, with my students. Okay, when you finish, click end meeting and all will be right. Okay, that's it guys, it's so easy. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.